Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm creating this look here. This glam, glittery, smoky eye. I'm just so in love with this look. And I'm creating this look using the Huda Beauty Nude palette. Now, I've done a look before on my Instagram just to try out the palette, see how I liked it, and get a feel for it before I went ahead and filmed with it. And I did something that was more simple and natural and romantic that anyone actually can wear, and I did like it. I really did. I also did swatches of all the shades that are in this palette on my Instagram. I do have it in my highlights. So if you guys want to see swatches of everything, then go ahead and check out my Instagram. I'll have it down below for you guys, and you can check out my highlights. I have one highlight that says makeup swatches, and you'll be able to see it on there. But yeah, these are all the shades here. The mattes are really pretty, very rosy, romantic. I feel like this palette is great for weddings. If you're a makeup artist, this is a really good palette for weddings. The foil shadows, like these here, they had like white chunks in it, and once you mix it, it just, oh my gosh, like the shades are so freaking pretty, you guys, like no joke pretty. So I did really enjoy those foils. And one thing that I didn't realize when I looked at the palette, I thought this was actually, this shade here, I thought this was a shadow, but it's not. It's a cream. It's actually kind of like a concealer. It says concealed on it, and it's kind of like a concealer. So yeah, I mean, it's, that's how it looks. Very creamy, blends out really nicely. And let me just show you guys the foils and swatch like two of them so you guys can see. So look at that, so freaking pretty, you guys. So pretty. And I'm usually not a fan of pressed glitters. That's what these two are here. These are pressed glitters. I'm usually not a fan of those, but I created this look with those glitters, and I'm shook. Okay, I'm really shook. So yeah, I went ahead and used this palette for this look, and I'm not gonna say anything else. You guys just will have to watch the video and see how everything performs and everything like that. So if you guys want to see how I got this look here, how the shadows blend out, see if I had any issues or anything like that, then you have to stay tuned and keep on watching. And also, if you're not already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button right down below. It's the red button, you can't miss it, and hit that notification bell. That way you guys can get notified every time I upload a video. Now, enough rambling and talking and all that good stuff. Let's get to this video. Now we have the brows done and the eye base on and set. Now we can go in with the beautiful Huda Beauty Nude palette. So the first shade that I'm going to go in with is called Love Bite. It's the deepest purple in the palette, which is this one here. And I'm going to use, just clean it off a little bit. I'm going to be using my Morphe M562 brush. This brush is perfect for getting into the crease. And just so you know, these shades do have some, there you go, some kickback, as you guys can see here. They do have some kickback, but not too much, so I don't mind it. Some people do, but I don't mind it. Alright, so again, I'm just gonna go ahead and lift up the brow and just start to place the product. And I'm gonna do more of a rounded eye. Hopefully I can get the eyes to look the same. I always have trouble with doing that. But as you guys see, the pigment is definitely there. Definitely there. Okay, I don't know where my camera like cut off at, but I was using my Sigma E36 blending brush, this one here, to blend out the shade Play up to the brow bone area, keeping that same circular shape. And then I'm going to go back in with Lace, but with the same Sigma brush, and we're going to add that shade right back in there as well. Just because we lost it a bit, so we're going to just add it right back in there. Poppin'. Alright, so I feel like I got it how I want it to look. I feel like I do. So let me just blend this upward just a little bit more. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with a flat concealer brush. This is from Gerard Cosmetics. It's from their polka dot brush collection, and I'm going to take some more of that plouise base, and I'm going to start cutting my crease, but I'm only going to cut it a third of the way. I'm not going to go all the way because we're going to keep the outer corner smoky and just keep the first third of the lid with the glitter. So what I like to do is I like to go ahead and just look straight while I'm paying attention to both of my eyes, and I'm going to just press, lightly press where I would start to cut the lid. And we're just gonna keep following the line. You guys, as I was saying before my son interrupted me, I have wrinkly eyelids, so I have to have my eyes open when I'm cutting my crease so that I can see where I'm actually cutting, because I need to cut my crease above where the folds are so that you can see it when I have my eyes open. So just following. Love Bug, and then we're going to blend out the edges of that shade. Deepen it, make it really, really deep. And then with the same brush, I'm going to take this shade Spanked, which is this shade here. You guys, these shades that are the names of the shades are very dirty, hence the name, the nude palette. Alright, and I'm just going to place that right on top of that edge where I put Love Bug, Love Bite, not Love Bug, blenders. Just like a wire. Alright, now I'm going to go in with the glitter shade Excite, which is that one. And then I'm going to put Infatuated, which is that one. More so in the inner part, in the inner corner of the eye. So I'm going to first take my ring finger. Now these shades that I'm using, the glitters, they're pressed glitters. So in order for you to get transfer from your finger to the lid, you have to dip your finger and press it like this in the palette, in the shade, and then press on your lid. That's the only way the shade will transfer, because they're pressed glitters. So they're made for you to like press onto the eyelid, not to sweep. It's not like a foiled shadow where you can use a brush sometimes and just sweep it on the lid. It's not like that. And then with my pinky, I'm going to take that other pressed glitter. Remember pressing it in and do this. Dabbing it, whatever I could get on there. Alright, you guys, so I decided to put my lash on off camera because my son just keeps interrupting me. So the lashes that I'm using are Yummy Sweet Lashes by Carla. I forgot which style these are. I don't know if it's Dream. I think these are Dream or She's Bad. One or the other. It doesn't have the name on it, so that's why I just don't know which style these are. But yeah, you can go ahead and check out her lashes. They are bombs. Actually, one of my favorite lashes. So we're just gonna continue on with the eyes. I'm gonna take my Bella Pierre gel eyeliner. This is the black one. I'm gonna just sharpen it up a little bit. Alright, and clean off the tip because it has a lot of glitter on it. Alright, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put this right on the lash line, and I am dragging it down low because we're gonna smoke this out. Brush, and I'm just gonna go ahead and start to buff that liner out. Take a little bit more of the plouise base and put that on the back of my hand, and again I'm using shade 2. Can't wait for my Christmas collection bundle to come in. Oh my gosh, you guys, I can't wait. Alright, so I'm just taking this Morphe M516 brush, and I'm just pretty much going to buff this into the skin, starting really low around the nose area. Okay, so now we're going to go back in with the palette, and we are going to use some. Going to use my Morphe M578 brush. Going to go in with Love Bite. I'm going to start right here in the center. I'm bringing it pretty far down, as you guys see here. Blending it in with the black. And we're going to pretty much make like a crescent moon shape. So it's going to be very low here, but it's going to get really tight as we go up from the sides. Spanked. Right? I use spanked, yeah. And I'm going to put that right underneath that purple. Bringing it really low right here. And getting it really tight in the inner and the outer corner. Some more on this side. Right, and then again, just because I feel like I definitely came down a little bit too low, just gonna, you know, blend it. Alright, so, alright, base is on and everything. For foundation, I use my Urban Decay Naked Skin Foundation in 4.0, and then I use my Maybelline Better Skin Concealer in medium, and then I bronzed up my skin with the MAC Mineralize Skin Finish in dark tan, And I love the duo that I always use, and it's the MAC Dark Tan with the Gerard Cosmetics. Which one is it? I think it's Wifed Up. Yeah, with the Wifed Up blush, and then the First Class blush. So I almost dropped it. I use the Wifed Up blush because for me it's more like a bronzer, and I actually use it to deepen up the contour. So I kind of just put it like more so towards the back of the face. You can see, kind of just deepened it up a little bit. So I use that to mostly deepen up the bronzing / contour of the face, and then I go in with the blush and I just put it on the apples of the cheeks to give myself some color. Using the Crayon Case On Roll highlighter. This is one of my favorite highlighters ever. If you don't have this, you need to get it, and I'm gonna show you why. Look at that. And this highlighter. Alright, and then I'm going to put on a gloss, and I'm going to use Clean Kisses from the Crayon Case. And then I'm going to go in with my Peach Setting Spray from Gerard Cosmetics. Pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoy this look again. And if you aren't already, please hit that subscribe button. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And follow me on all of my other social media platforms. That way you guys can stay updated with me. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.